Can you tell me what you found there?
A load of stickyweed.
So we've got some stickyweed here. We're going to go through it and actually check that it's all stickyweed. We give it a bit of a clean, and then we're going to pop it in a pot, and we're going to boil it for about sort of 10-15 minutes and make tea. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Cleaned our cleavers, our stickyweed, it's all in there, nice and clean. And we're just going to add some boiling water, very carefully. Let's boil it. It's going to be very hot. Too hot?
Don't like it.
What do you think?
It's quite nice. Let me try some. You sure it's stickyweed?
You sure you wouldn't want to try a bit more of that?
No, I've had enough. Thank you.
Shouldn't we pass it on to Daddy?
We probably shouldn't share drinks at the moment.
Yeah, there's a virus going around. Probably shouldn't drink that.
What do you think, Dad? Do you like it?
Mummy, is this?
Are you just tucking into it?